This brand is made in the USA and the furnaces are only sold through their limited dealer network in the USA and Canada. They offer premium multi-position furnaces which allow the dealers to hold less inventory, which can reduce the cost to the consumer, but they do not offer a downflow model. They do not offer models in either the basic or ultimate categories, so your options for this brand are rather limited. The BGH96 furnaces have a low-profile cabinet to allow them to fit into tight spaces. The units have a 96% combustion efficiency with a 2-stage gas valve and hot surface ignition, which is more reliable and requires less maintenance than furnaces that use spark ignition systems. They have a fixed-speed blower motor instead of a variable speed motor, but they use ECM technology, which is more durable and energy efficient. They are backed by a decent guarantee, but it does not include total furnace replacement in the case of heat exchanger failure. They use aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion, but they are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.